Now, one thing I noticed whilst I was here was this. They are not going to pass those wheel nuts for inspection. Why? They're wanting to have at least 2 to 3 threads protruding from the nut. Okay, the reason is that that's the way it is. And American trucks have great big long studs. I'll put a screenshot here. So I have a cunning plan. Let me show you. These axles, it turns out, look like they are Series 3 Army axles. Alright, so that's why they've got the bigger studs on. The earlier ones had these bigger types nuts, but smaller threaded nuts. I think it's 7/16 BSF. So what I'm going to do, I have 20 of these capped nuts. I'm going to put them on in place and take them down for its first inspection. Now the reason is, if they say, oh, that's a fail, and I put these cap nuts on, they're going to say, oh, well, you haven't solved the problem, you just put cap nuts on. Well, all I'm going to do is put them on for now, take them down, get it inspected. When it passes for these, I'll take them off and put these on. A bit of an inconvenience, but a mess about. That's what we have to do. They never made wheel studs come out longer than that, so, well, they did for the Army Wolf wheels that came out to about here. But I've only got one. I don't know where it is. Wait a minute, let's see if I've got it up on top. Ah, there you go. So that's an Army one. They go from the sublime to the ridiculous. So that's what we're stuck with. That's another job to do, but we've got to swap them nuts over.